Hey dolls, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So I am partnered with Luvme Hair and I got a bob. I'm so excited about it. I cannot. So this bob is a natural black. I like this. This wig is 12 inches, 5x5 lace, so it's plenty of parting space. It has a C part and pre-plucked, pre-bleached, plus it has a breathable cap. This is going to be a glueless install. Yeah, I'm just going to put like a little bump at the end, and I'm going to show you guys another hairstyle once I get it installed. But overall, I'm just happy this has a band. This here is beginner friendly, all right? Because anytime you start seeing a good, strong band, and I love it, it's adjustable. Perfect. Let's get into it. Let's see what this hair is about. Wait a minute. Love me. What y'all doing right here? This hairline is looking really, really good. And then also look at the color match here. That looks good. Okay. Stop it. If y'all gonna save me some steps where I don't have to use my Fit Me powder, just say that. Okay. Look at that. That ain't going nowhere. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace. I always cut my lace into sections, so ouch. Got these flyaways right here, but we're gonna lay those down. We're gonna lay those flyaways down. And it's a bob. You want your hair to lay down as flat as possible. You don't want any hiking up right through here. And so I know I'm having hiking up right here just because my braids are not new. They're 2 months old, but we're not gonna get into that. All right, so now I'm gonna use some pomade from Style Factor. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. In fact, sometimes I like to just put it in my hands if I don't want to overdo it and make the hair look too greasy. And make sure you get this crown. Like I said, my braids have grown out too much, but I still want to get as flat as I can. And be careful not to burn your lace. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my Go Glueless. I'm just going to use a little bit. So Go Glueless is actually a foam that I love to use to lay down this hair. If you wanted to do baby hairs, or like me, I'm laying down still flyaways. I'm just making sure to really lay down because it's sticky. So I really love this product when I am working with a new wig. What I like is that it doesn't weigh my hair down when I use a little bit. So now I'm going to use my Tymo flat iron. And I love this because it's a titanium flat iron. Look at that. When I say it gets hot, it gets hot. I'm actually going to put like a little bit of a little bump at the end. I'm so extra. If you are interested in this wig, please check the description box because everything will be listed below. This is too cute. This is like So now I'm gonna go back with some of my Go Glueless. As I said, I'm gonna try to secure this bang in place. So I'm using a little bit more product because I want to make sure I kind of stiffen it up a little bit. Not much, but just a little bit to keep it behind my ear. Use my comb. Let's get into the fact of how silky and pretty this bob is. Say what? That's the back. So I'm gonna do a really fun hairstyle. Oh my goodness, I love when I see those flip ends on a ponytail. Those cute little ponytails, and with the bang, the swoop bang. So what I like about this wig is that it's super manageable and it's easy to style. You see this? It's curling so good. And so I really like that about this. I actually like the fact that it's a C part. I love doing a C part when I do a side part. So that's right up my alley. And the fact that this cap is breathable, girl, and this wig is lightweight. So we winning. Luvme has a variety of wigs and I love it because they are good quality. So one thing about it is if you want to switch up your look and you're ready for something different, this is your sign, okay? Because switching it up is everything. Face card never declines. So you add a little body to it, make sure it stays flipped up the right way. I love the fact that this bang is covering this forehead right now too, so it's a win-win for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this wig, please thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down in the comments, and I'll see you the next one.